Good morning everyone. Today I will explain Review Python. Any task that we perform in your daily life consists of these steps: input, processing, and output. Let us see the process of creating a toy by following the given steps. Take raw clay, mold the clay into the desired shape. Finally, color the toy and leave it to dry for some time. So we see that the formation of toy is divided into three major steps. Raw clay is the input, molding, coloring and drying is the processing, and the clay toy is the output. A computer also works in the same manner. First, a computer accepts the data input by the user, then it processes the data, and finally it gives us the output. A computer performs all these operations with the help of programs. A program is a step by step sequence of instructions that help the computer to perform the given task. There are many programming level languages that we can use to write the programs. For example, C, C++, Java, Python, etc. Features of Python language. Python, first, what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language which is simple and interactive, platform independent, case sensitive, object oriented, interpreted language, uses variables without declaration. See the image. Features of Python. All these features make Python a popular language where text based application is involved, like in C and C++ language. Desktop application, web application, mobile application, machine learning, robotics, and performing scientific computing. Some popular applications which are designed using Python are YouTube, Google, Dropbox, Instagram. Installing. How can you install Python on your computer? You can download various Python distributions from www.python.org/download. After installing Python, we will get the following screen. Working modes of Python. There are two modes. One is the interactive mode and the another one is the script mode. Interactive mode. In the interactive mode by Python, the interpreter executes the statement one by 1. After the first statement is executed successfully, it moves to the next statement. It means that in the interactive mode, the statements are executed line by line, giving the output. Thank you.